Hello everyone, my name is Chong On. Today I'm presenting for JAC 444 Workshop 11. So in this workshop, we are in the last one already. Based on socket programming, we create a chat app. And here I demonstrate how my work works. So it must start with the server first. Multi-thread server right here with a timestamp. And we can start a chat. For instance, we have Bob. Then it shows a connection from the socket to a certain port number, and there's a chat window over here. Now we have another chat. Let's have Joey here. In this message box, we can have messages in multiple lines. How to do this? We can use Shift Enter. So that's the same as most message boxes in general, whether you are using could be Signal or WhatsApp and so on. If you press enter, that's a send. But if you press shift enter, shift enter, so on the server window, we can also see the chat messages going on. And it's a very simple design. So it's just a message box and send button. And upon entering your name will show on the chat window. So if somebody quits, chat has disconnected. Joey also quits, chat has disconnected. Do you want to exit? For both server and chat windows, we have the same thing here. So what happens if we have no server, but we still want to start a chat? Then what happens is no server found. So you cannot do anything, basically. Doesn't matter if you try to press end. Then if you want to press send, then it's gonna just close. Anyway, we can take a look at the code now. We use javafx and all the setting up of socket and stage and so on. And in the chat class, we have the typical run and start. So just now, Bob and Joey, they already said something, and it's also saved in a chat log right here. That was my earlier trial. That's the newest trial. Yeah, so they kind of forgot that they already talked about multiple lines, but anyway, they talked about multiple lines again. Okay, that's the text file for the chat log. And in the start, we have the background color, we have the port number, we have the entering of name for a chat window name. Pressing shift and enter, you can go to the next line. Pressing enter, you can send a message, or pressing the send button. And to close the chat, you are asked to confirm it. And we also have a send message function, and I just showed what if you start a chat with our server, then if you want to click send, it's gonna just close. In the server class, we have similar stuff going on, except that the chat class depends on the server class, and we have multi-thread server starting at a certain date formats, year and second and hour and so on. Just in case a chat enters as a connection, so then the server class is showing the fact that we have a new chat going on, and this one is for saving up the chat messages in a text file. And inside here we have private class clients using runnable. That's where that's the main need. We have the multi-threaded connections allowing multiple chat. So that's where we also have the configuration allowing multiple instances. Thank you for watching, and this concludes my JAC 444 workshops. Thank you.